Now in this case we have an equation where we have something e to the power of where our x is, and what we are looking for is an expression where we have x equals a number. So how can we deal with it? Well, we know that e is the inverse operation to ln, and I write it like that. So ln is also the inverse operation to e. So all we need to do really is we take both sides of the equation with ln, and that allows us to eliminate e. So what we get is we have ln of e to the power of negative 0.05 x plus 0.45. So that's our left-hand side where we applied ln, and that of course we need to do also to the right-hand side. So we have ln 1.60. And we know that ln and e are the inverse operations, so they eliminate each other. And what we get is minus 0.05 x plus 0.45 equals ln 1.06. And for that we can employ our calculator, and ln 1.06 is exactly 0.47. So what we have is just simply a bog standard equation that we just simply have to solve. We don't really need these brackets here. And all we need to do is we need to bring this part here that does not contain x, we bring that to the other side, to the right-hand side. We do that by taking both sides minus 0.45. And what we get is negative 0.05 x plus 0.45 minus 0.45, so that's the left-hand side, equals 0.47 minus 0.45. Again, that is on the right-hand side. And we know that this eliminates. We get 0, and we can therefore write negative 0.05 x equals 0.47 minus 0.45. That gives us 0.02. And all we need to do is now use the inverse mathematical operation to this multiplication. So we divide both sides by negative 0.05. On the left-hand side we get negative 0.05 x divided by negative 0.05. And on the right-hand side we get 0.02 divided by negative 0.05. And we see that the negative 0.05 cancels out. On the left-hand side, we've just left x equals, and for this one here, we can employ our calculator. So we've got 0.2 divided by negative 0.05. Well, one should be able to do that in the head, but never mind. So that would give us negative 0.4. So what we have done here is we have eliminated the E in this equation by using the inverse mathematical operations, so E and ln, and we do that to both sides of the equation, and we turn it into just simply a bog standard equation without E or ln, and we know how to solve that, so we apply all the operations to the left hand side and to the right hand side and eventually get our solution. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you for watching.